everything wrong with my brand new Proton in less than 60 seconds. Scuffed bumper, faded bonnet badge, discoloured indicator lens, another scuffed bumper, wrong wheel trims, delaminated windscreen, more windscreen delamination, rust round sunroof, more rust round sunroof, rusty rear wheel arch, dent, bumper scuff, micro blistering on rear spoiler, more damage to rear spoiler, more rust on wheel arch, big scratch down side, poorly painted front wing, scuffed wing mirror, rust stained passenger seat, aftermarket alarm system, missing seatbelt trim, surface rust to inner door sill, wear to driver's seat bolster. And lastly, it's another Proton, so clearly my wife is furious.